Hello everyone. Um, Welcome to my channel. I'm learning the ways of welcoming everyone to my channel. So today is about some products that I have been gifted by my sister-in-law, and I received a package and I was like, why not make a YouTube video about it, and let's see how well she knows me and what she sent me things I know nothing about, purely based on what she thinks I will like. So it's just a small gift from her end for me. So yeah, I'm excited. I have opened the box, but I do not know all the contents of the box. Here, this is the package from Tira, and I'm excited. These are things that actually excite, I think, me and women like me at this age. First, we start with Patchology Bubbly Eye Gel Masks. I use this a lot when I'm getting ready for an event or a wedding or any function. I actually tend to use this more because it reduces the puffiness in the under eyes. That is the purpose of this. It says place one pair of gels to clean under eye area. Yeah, I'm sure. So yeah, this is a really, really good product. And I'm excited to try this one. So you got this right. Number two is, oh, the Burberry Goddess. How can this go wrong? 100 on 10. This is an absolute killer fragrance. So, well done, Dinal. This is, I think, a liquid lipstick from Musige Mansion. This is a new brand. I've actually never heard about this. And, oh, look at the packaging. It's like a tube. What is this? Glass, acrylic. I'll actually try this on. Quite light, no? But it's looking nice. It's adding a nice color. Oh, it's cute. I'm actually a big fan of light pinks and nudes and, not very bright lipsticks. So this is a perfect one. And it's satin. Like, it's not matte. So I don't like the drying effect of matte. So this is a good product. I mean, even I've heard about it for the first time. Musige Mansion in the shade Gypsy Rose. Rose shades are my go-to. So you got this right. Nice, Dina. You know me. You know me pretty well. Another perfume, Love Chopard. I haven't actually tried this one, so I do not know how good it is. I'm not opening it right now because I have a lot of open perfumes which I aim to at least reduce and then open a new one. So excited to try this one. But I don't know, maybe something fruity. World of the Most. Oh, Precious Rose Essence. So yeah, rose in general is. There are two wipes. One is deep cleansing wipes and one is SPF wipes. Always useful, travel friendly sizes, easy to just pop in the handbag and go. So yeah, girl, you got me. Another lipstick, Maximal Sleek Satin in the shade Brave. So I really like the satin version of MAC because it's very smooth on the lips. Even though it doesn't stay for really long, you can always reapply, but it doesn't dry out your lips and make them look chappy. This is also in a very similar rose. I'll just swatch it. Oh, it's so nice. So so far I like everything. I don't know if there's anything that I will not like because everything looks quite cool in this. This is the Dewy Set Setting Spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, this I'm not sure about because I am not a big dewy makeup person. I'm more of a matte person. But I can give dewy look a try. I mean, we live in Mumbai. Because of the humidity, it's anyway dewy. And Pablo is barking outside. Okay, Pablo. So this is, it's such a cute bottle. I can actually travel with it because my other setting sprays are usually the bigger ones. And whatever small ones I have are just free samples which I carry with me wherever I go. So I will try this. I'm not too sure because I'm not a big dewy makeup person, but we can give it a try. Not bad. Not bad at all. I love the packaging. It's so nice and blingy. This is a lip liner from Huda Beauty in pinky brown. You can never go wrong with pinky brown because it's the most used everyday shade. It works as a perfect base under any lip color that you use. So I usually only do lip contouring when it's an event or a wedding or something like that. Not every day. You saw me do my lips. That's how I do it every day. This is a very nice nude shade, so we literally go under every lipstick. So this works too. Nice, very nice. So many products. Oh my god. Oh wow. I was actually looking forward to this one. It is the Scalp and Body Scrub from Voe. I'm not too sure if I'll put it on my scalp because I'm very particular about what goes on my head. But as a body scrub, oh my, it's divine. It smells so good. Did I get some on my nose while smelling it? For anyone who really wants a nice rose fresh smelling body scrub, go for this, guys. It's Way products. I've been using it for the last 4-5 years and it's come to India now, but it's scrubbed the drama out of your life is what it says. This blend of sugar and coconut oil cuts through the bullshit to clean your hair and body while calming the crazy. Okay, we will give this a try, but it smells really good. For anyone who wants a good scrub, you can go for this one. The fragrance is on point. I think this is my most favorite product out of everything till now. Another body bath, body milk bath cleanser. Oh, I know this. This looks like a Tetra Pak. It's opened up here, but it's a body wash, and the even the packaging of the bottle looks like a Doodwala Tetra Pak. Yep. So I have actually been eyeing this for a long time, but I always have so many bath products which I hoard when I travel and I bring back with me, so then I'm never able to get this. Oh, this has a really good fragrance. You know, a doctor recently told me to use all fragrance-free stuff, but I don't know. This has vanilla, correct? It had notes of vanilla, with notes of lavender and vanilla with blackcurrant, amber, and musk. I've been wanting to try this, so perfect. Other than the dewy mist, which I'm not too sure about, everything else has been on point. This girl knows me pretty well now. It shows that through years in a relationship, you get to know each other so well. And the last product is this lipstick from Shiseido. So this is in the shade Harmonic Drive. I don't know what the shade looks like, and the lipstick is red in color. I hope it's not such a bright red lipstick. Oh, it's not. It's a pink. Perfect. It's brighter, but see, this was the first one from MAC, and now this is the one. So nice, two shades. And there's a free product, which is Tira Raincoat. It's a raincoat, guys. And one more free product from Allies of Skin, multi-peptides and GF advanced lifting serum, which I'm not too sure if I use, because skincare I usually only do what the dermat gives me, because that's really easy and I don't have to worry about, you know, it having an effect on me. But yeah, both these lipsticks, they're non-drying. One is satin, and this other Shiseido one is also actually, it's satin, Techno Satin Gel lipstick. Yep, in the shade Harmonic Drive. So both are really nice. And this one that I have on from Musige Mansion. So yeah, I mean, this girl knows me pretty well and she knows what I like. But if we have to have a winner, it's definitely going to be this. I've been looking forward to this. Bath products are my, you know, jam. I love it. But everything is on point. Burberry Goddess is, and it's perfect in 30 ml. perfect to pop into my handbag because I don't have to worry about it being oversized and easy for me to travel. She's kept it all in mind because of the traveler that I am. Even the makeup remover wipes and the SPF wipes are all in minis, so that it's easy for me to move around with them. I don't have to worry too much. Yeah, this I will try, and if I am not too sure about it, I will give it to you only, Dinal. You can use it, you can share it. Yeah, guys, that's it. So this was like a gift haul that I got, and if you all want to see more about things that I use personally, things that I really like, makeup and skincare is very subjective in my opinion, because what suits me may not suit you. I have my days. I have really combination skin. So some days my skin is behaving itself, and some days it's just blown out of proportion, and I have like little acne bites everywhere. So it's actually very different for everyone. So my only suggestion when it comes to skincare would be see a doctor in your area and just follow what the doctor says, because that's what I do. But yeah, when it comes to makeup and bath products, I'm up. I'm not a big makeup person. I'm a big product junkie. Like these eye patches and these wipes and lipsticks. I will not be able to help you with what makeup is good. I'll just be able to tell you what I like, because I've tried so many products over the last, ever since I was 15, so say 15 years, from my experience. And I have a product that I use secretly. It's from Maybelline, and I've not stopped using it since I was 18 years old, and it's literally been my go-to ever since. I'm going to be 30 this year. It's still the same. So yeah, these are all the amazing products that my sister-in-law sent me, and thank you, Dinal. It's I've messaged you also, but I love all of this, and yeah, that's it. So like, comment, subscribe and share if you like what you saw, and mention in the comments what products you would like to know about, and I'll also share my hair care. It's not really looking cared for right now because of workouts and greasy scalp, but yeah, I have multiple shampoos that I use for different concerns, so I think I will target that in my next video. Let me know in the comments what do you all want to see. Bye.